Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, where are all the aliens? Well, this is called the Fermi Paradox, and it's something that scientists have been wondering about for many, many years. So, let's talk about that. Fermi Paradox asks the simple question, there should be aliens everywhere, so why aren't there? So there are a couple of theoretical solutions to this theory, and I'm going to go over a couple of them just because I find them really interesting. Let's first go over the most existential, terrifying, and yet interesting one of them. This is called the Great Filter, and it terrifies me. The Great Filter implies that there's like some sort of barrier, filter, whatever, to prevent a civilization from reaching a certain point where it's like intelligent or whatever. Now, the filter could be one thing, it could be multiple things, it could be climate change. It's not an actual filter, it's just like a placeholder. Like, it could be climate change, which again, it could be nuclear war, something like that. We could also be past the Great Filter, or we could be well before it, or we could have passed one, we could have more in the future. Okay, so next, if there are aliens, there's a chance that they just don't want to interact with us. We could also just be the first intelligent species in the universe, because we do have to remember that stars in the universe will continue to be being created for the next like 10 or 20 billion years. And also, for the beginning couple billion years of the universe, life as we know it was just basically impossible. So, my personal favorite idea, and this one is probably the least likely, is, because of the fact that life would have probably evolved differently everywhere else, all life would probably be very different from each other, and we might just not ever be able to detect it. Anyways,